Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the phone is ready. Check MIUI version and free storage, and update the system if needed so live wallpapers run smoothly. Once done, sign into your My account and Google Play so theme and wallpaper services sync properly. If you plan to sideload an APK, allow unknown sources for the installer and back up your current wallpaper to avoid losing it. This prevents compatibility problems and keeps a safe restore point. Next, you install and enable the live wallpaper. Open Themes or Google Play and search for live wallpaper packs, or install Xiaomi's live wallpaper app for best compatibility. Once installed, open the wallpaper picker from home screen settings, choose live wallpapers, select your new animation, and preview to confirm performance and battery use. Make sure to test both home screen and lock screen options. If animations stutter, reduce resolution, or choose a lighter effect to preserve smoothness. Finally, finalize settings so the live wallpaper behaves as you expect. Adjust frame rate, grant battery saver exceptions, and limit background restrictions to avoid being killed. If the wallpaper won't apply, clear the themes or wallpaper app cache, restart your Redmi, and try again. This resolves most conflicts. If problems persist, reinstall the wallpaper app and verify MIUI permissions for overlays and battery optimization. Doing these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.